Hi, my name's Tyler Natz with 3M.
And I'm Ryan Scott with Lincoln Electric Automation, here today to talk to you about the media change drawer on the Lincoln OmniClean cell.
There are a few different benefits for using the tool changing drawer in the OmniClean system. One is you have longer uptime. You can utilize a disc to the end of the life, drop off a tool, and pick up another one with a fresh disc to keep the process up and running for longer periods of time. The second benefit would be using sequences when you're trying to finish your process. It might start with a weld grinding using a fiber disc, followed by a Scotch-Brite LGB disc to finish up and blend out your scratches before painting your part at the end of the process.